Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add sound to CapCut. Alright, here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project on CapCut. And if you want to add sound to this project, first of all, we can click on audio button right here, or we can also click on add audio right here, and it's the same. And for me, I'm just going to click on add audio. Then after that, we can choose either we want to add sounds, effect, extracted, or voiceover. If you want to add sounds or song from your device, you can click on sounds right here. Then you can just select wait. Okay, and if you want to add sounds from your device, you can click on this button. But if you want to add the song or the sound that has been available on CapCut, you just need to click on this button. Then this is the recommendation for CapCut. You can also explore more song by clicking on this, by sliding on this option. You can slide it right like this, then you can select it by its category. Okay, and I'm just going to add sound from my device, so just click on this button, then click on from device right here. Okay, and you can just select the sound that you want to add to your project. And for example, I'm just gonna add this one. So just tap on the song, tap on this plus button, then the sound will be added to our project. And if you want to add effect or sound effect, you just need to click on effect button right here. Then there are a lot of sound effects that we can use. You can choose it by its category. And don't forget to download the sound effect before you apply it to your project. Okay, and if you want to add voiceover, you just need to click on record button right here. Then you can start record your voice. Okay, and you can also add extracted audio. You can just click on extracted right here. Then you can select the video that you want to extract to be audio. Okay. And okay guys, that's how we can add audio or sound to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.